everyone, let's dive into what ChatGPT is. Your friendly AI buddy that making waves in both our personal and business lives. In a nutshell, ChatGPT is a super smart program designed by OpenAI that chats with you, offering help, advice, and ideas just like a human would. Whether you are stuck on a problem, need creative inspiration, or just want to have a fun conversation, ChatGPT is here to make things easier and more interesting. It's like having a personal assistant and brainstorming partner, all rolled into one, enhancing the way we work and play. So, ready to chat with ChatGPT? Let's get started. Many of you are familiar with the process of creating a ChatGPT account, but for the benefit of newcomers to this platform, I'm adding a classic video from my collection that provides a step-by-step guide on setting up an account on ChatGPT.
Let's create account on ChatGPT. For creating account on ChatGPT, you need to enter your valid email address and password first. Click on Continue tabs and you will get Verify your email window. Now go to your email box and confirm your account. Fill the information. Once you confirm, just verify your phone number and submit this image captcha. You will get a code on your WhatsApp. Enter that code and here you go.
Now, if you have just logged into ChatGPT and are wondering what's next, don't worry, I have got you covered. Today, I will guide you through the basic of using this powerful platform so you can make the most out of your experience. Initially, your screen will look like this. So, I'm writing my first prompt here, my basic prompt here. Explain the sun to me as first grader versus high school versus astrophysicist. Now the answer is here and we can see it's pretty cool and much useful for our latest high school buddies and future astrophysicist. Our next prompt be like top books I should read versus top 10 books I should read to become a musician. We can see it gives us a perfect answer. It gives us a top 10 books. We can see three signs here. First is copy, second is bad response, third is regenerate. We can copy this full message and paste anywhere we want to. You can see. Second is bad response, third is regenerate. Let's try regenerate. For best result or answer, all we need to do is write best prompt so that ChatGPT will understand and it will answer in that manner. So as of now, we started from our basic prompt. In the next session, we will learn our perfect prompt priming.